Hello everyone, my name's Sandy Lynn. Welcome to my channel, and today is Tablescape Tuesday. Our host is Anna from Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. Anyone is welcome to join, just hashtag Tablescape Tuesday. Okay, today I am showing some of my vintage dinnerware. Like this little teacup and saucer was my mother's. And this fruit plate with leaves and grapes was also my mother's. I think that's very pretty. And I have it on a rose gold charger. Now my Tablescape has two different table settings. One is the fruit plate that I just showed. And then as the centerpiece, I have this beautiful large serving plate with some artichokes and a candle and a holder there that I just recently gave a Mackenzie Child inspired look to it. And here's the other table setting, which is the black and white checkered Mackenzie Child inspired little teacup and the little salad plate. These I all ordered on Amazon with a little, just a plain black dinner plate and a pretty coral charger on another placemat. The placemat I just got at the Dollar General. And the charger, I believe I thrifted. And I have a little martini glass. Oops, there went the napkin. But this is a martini or a margarita glass. It has kind of a green tint to it. And then just a cream color napkin that I folded and stuck in the glass. Now what I want to also show you is, this was my mother's as well. Some of you may know that my mother recently passed away. So I've inherited some of these little trinkets from her. Now this is a little music box that has Romeo and Juliet on it. And it actually does play music. So this I remembered as a child and always was just in awe of it. I just thought it was so pretty, and it's got different scenes from Romeo and Juliet. It's very pretty. And she had it forever. I have no idea where she got it. It was just one of those things that I just loved growing up as a child. So I will definitely treasure that. And the tea for today is pure peppermint. And see, here's the large platter in the middle with some really pretty flowers. And like I said, I put some faux artichokes on it with a burning candle. And another really pretty glass that I put a napkin in. And here is another candy dish from my mother. I think it's just pretty. It's a really soft pink. I believe it's a depression glass. Very pretty. I actually thought the black and white, checkered, and the fruit plates went well together. All 4 of the plate settings don't have to match, but they complement each other. And here's my little side table. Right now I just have this ivy plant and some napkins. And I also have my faux muffins in this cloche. Another look at the table setting. And here's my corner curio with some of my dishes. And some of my dishes that I've inherited from my grandmother. So again, I want to thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please feel free to. I appreciate it so much. Be sure to leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Give me a like. And thanks to Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from Grace Life DIY for hosting this collaboration. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.